We are now at the Ylinevala estate in Lapua, Hellenmaa. Our main activity is broiler production, and we changed over to local fuels about 1.5 years ago. Of course, the reason was the rising oil price, and we wanted to limit the costs in the broiler production. Oil and energy is important to the production costs. With this heating central, we heat a broiler hall for 30,000 broilers, a residence of about 250 square meters, and a workshop connected to the machinery hall. During this time we have primarily used peat, but also some wood chip. And in the future, at least during the next couple of years, the importance of chips will be even greater, since we have cut trees from our own forest that will last for the next 5 years. We have used about 150 cubic meters peat per year, and it has been a very easy to use fuel, though its price has increased some as well. The effect of this heating plant has been quite sufficient, and the next question is that when we build another broiler hall here close by, will the effect still be enough, or will we need to change to a bigger, more efficient heater?